Today on Cooking Stuff, we're going to be trying to follow an actual recipe, Mini Egg Blondies. It was just Easter and I ate lots of treats, but I couldn't make my own, so I figured I should make some, or try it. I've also doubled this recipe because I want more blondies. Start with the flour. I'm going to use 4 cups instead of 2 because I'm doubling the recipe. I lost count. 4 cups. Oh man. This is a half cup. 1. Good thing I counted because I didn't have enough. That's probably 8, which is 2 cups. Boom, flour, done. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm gonna use a full teaspoon. As you can see, I cook a lot. A teaspoon is also not just a normal spoon, it's one of these weird spoons. Teaspoon. Boom, baking powder, done. Full teaspoon of salt, which I've already put in this little bowl. Oh wow, that's actually perfect. Salt done. Now you have to mix these all together. I think you're supposed to have one of those mechanical bowls, but I don't have one of those. So I'm just using whatever this thing's called. Well, this is pretty messy. All right, that's mixed pretty good. We're gonna melt some butter into this thing. 1.5 cups, doubling the recipe. Remember, 1.5 cups. I guess I have to melt more butter first. 1.5 cups, that's a lot of butter. Oh, I cut pretty much half this thing, and then it's 1.5 cups of melted butter. That's pretty bang on. We're gonna put sugar into the butter. 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. Doubling the recipe, double the fun. And I'm gonna measure it into this bowl first. I don't mess it up. They also said to press it down, so I'm pressing it down. Please keep count for me. What I like about brown sugar is it's like building little sandcastles, which is way more fun than white sugar. Like it comes out in a neat. Oh, nice. Check this out. I bet you could hold it in your hand. It's a sandcastle of sugar. Oh, white sugar is pretty boring. You can't make sandcastles with them. That was cool. 1. This one's easy because it's just 2. 2. Butter. Sugars, done. Cream together with the sugars. I'm using this thing again. It seems like it makes sense. Whoa, this looks like it would taste really good right now. Sugar on a butter stick. Probably better than something. 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks. 1. 2. A tablespoon is different than a teaspoon as well, which I learned. 1 tablespoon, but I make it 2. Vanilla. Oh, this stuff smells pretty good too. Now we're gonna mix these all up too. Careful. Ah man, baking is sometimes messy, so it's always good to not mix things in small bowls. Big bowl, way better. Don't get spills. Little thinner, pretty good. I'm probably making air bubbles or something. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. Now we put in the flour. I'm gonna mix half right now, because it looks like it's gonna be like concrete style doing this. Bakers must have really strong wrists. This thing seems to get pretty packed in now. I think we might switch to the old classic wooden spoon, which my parents used to. This looks pretty good. Like dough. Chocolate chips and some mini eggs, or eggies. These are cheaper than mini eggs. Baking time. Blondies in the oven. 375 for 40 minutes. Now we gotta wait 30 minutes. Very good. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't wait half an hour. So, join me next time on Cooking Stuff where I cook stuff. Today I baked though. Pretty hot. Very good. Thank you, Six Sisters Stuff, for the amazing recipe. It's also a good place to find stuff.